Hi, my name's Bryden and I'm Community Projects Officer at SaxaVord Spaceport. In 2024, SaxaVord Spaceport in Unst, Shetland will begin spaceport operations with the first vertical launch in Europe of small satellites to polar and sun-synchronous orbits. Planning permission was granted in early 2022, and the first launch pad and launch stool were completed within 9 months of that. Ensuring that we investigate renewable energy solutions throughout the company is part of our overall commitment to sustainability. Following the establishment of the first ground station in Unst in July 2021, we installed 15 330-watt solar panels from local Unst supplier Pure Energy. We then installed 12 batteries with sufficient capacity to provide 3 days of uninterrupted power to the antenna, resulting in a carbon saving of 612 kilograms CO2 equivalent. We believe this to be the first ground station powered by renewable energy. To further demonstrate our commitment to sustainability, we've made an effort to improve biodiversity around the antenna, and we have landscaped and seeded with wildflowers. This improves the visual aspect, attracts birds and insects to the area, and ensures that whilst we are developing and installing new equipment, we are enhancing natural surroundings.